Hey, we've all had to learn to work from home in the past year. In this next series of videos, we've created a home office that will get you through the pandemic. But before we show you that, let's show you what this room looked like before. So some of the things we wanted to incorporate into this office was wireless charging, large desk space, a workspace area away from the computers that you can spread your papers on, USB connections, good internet, and anything else we would possibly need to make our workday easier. Another thing we wanted to have was stand-up workstations. We didn't want to be tied to our desks in a sitting position all day long. We wanted to be able to stretch our legs. An absolute must for this office was a mini fridge. We needed to be able to have hydration up here while we worked. The last thing we added was lighting effects for the room. Of course, we can't just work in here all day and not have any fun, can we? Hey, I hope you enjoyed our video on surviving the pandemic home office edition. If you liked any of the items we showed you in our video, just go down to the description field and click on the link to learn more about them. Otherwise, stay tuned for our next video, which has to do with arcades and movie theaters and surviving the pandemic. Stay tuned, we got a little preview for you.